Welcome to ninth chapter of this course, Guide to Joomla. Today will be almost final chapter of this course. I will complete simple but interactive website in this tutorial for you. Your website should have 5 pages: home page, about us page, products and services page, blog page, and contact page. Home page we have completed in previous chapter. Now I will complete about page, products or services page, and blog page and contact page in this chapter. Now I assume that you have seen all my previous videos, so you will be comfortable to understand today practical. Let's start. After you log in to admin, let's start by adding about us page. I will create an article for this purpose. We have article shortcut here. This is a plus button. Just click on it. This is the core component of Joomla to create different pages in your website. Give some title, about us, and alias. It will auto generate from title. You can also create alias of your own choice. Now we have rich editor provided by Joomla. This is called TinyMCE editor, and there is a lot of feature in this. Okay, I am using some dummy data for this about us purpose. I have took this data from some dummy location. Now you can apply several HTML styles to your text, and if you want to put some images or HTML, you can insert it from here. Give the source, and it can be inside images. I have some images here. I will copy the name of image from here and paste it, and we can set the dimension here and save. Now this image is here, and we can also see the under the tools source code. You can see there is a HTML source code here. You can also work with it if you know HTML. And a basic about us page is there. Let's save and close it. Now we have to create a menu that will point to this article. So we will go to the menus and to the main menu. We have already it. We have home page. I will click on the new button and later give some title, about us, and under the menu type select articles, and we will choose the single article which displays a single article, and we will select an article. The article we created is the about us. Now we will save and close it. Come to the front of the website, refresh the page, and about us page is there. When I click on it, yes, our about us page is created, and there are left side and right side modules are also there. Search button module is there, but you can see that banner module is hidden. In my previous lesson I told you how to show or hide an module, how to show or hide a module depending on your own needs. I can show you again. Go to the system and under the manage there is a site module. This we have a DJ image slider, which is the banner. Select it to edit it and go to the menu assignment and choose the menus for which you want to show and uncheck the menus for which you don't want to show. Then save and close it. Now we have some detail under this article which is showing the categories, and this is a breadcrumb. If you don't want to show these options under the and you just want to show the headings and the text, so we will go to the contents articles and to the option of the articles. There we see under the article tab there is either to show several option like category, show or hide, and like read more link and tags, show or hide, and you can save it and it will hide the information about the category. So we have a nice simple interactive about us page right here. Next we will create a product page. As I am doing an e-commerce site, I will add products and link that product to a menu of the virtual mart type. I will go to component and select the virtual mart, go to the products. There are several products already there. I have already told you that was some kind of dummy data, and in the previous lesson I showed you we can go to the product. Let me show you what are the necessary fields to add a product. A product name should be there, SKU of your choice, which should be unique, and publish should be checked, and if you show this product are featured or not, and select the category, and then select the prices, cost price, base price, and final price, which will be calculated depending on the tax rules. And other is the product description. One is the short description, other is the detailed description, and in next tab there is a product status, how much in the stock, and show notification when let's say products are there are 3 product left, and availability date, when do you want to publish the products. Next is the product dimension. If it is a physical product, you can give the dimension. And next is the product images. You can upload the images. One will be shown in the first image as a first main image, other will be shown in the product detail page. You can upload several images of these types in your product, then you can save and close it. Now we will create menu. Go to the main menu, create new menu, and give some title, products, and select the menu item type, and go to this article, this component virtual mart. Scroll down, there are several layouts of this component, either to show a category or show a single product or show that shopping cart, and whatever you need it. I will have to show a list of products under one category, so I will choose this layout, and I will tell him what category to show. So I will select the under the clothes there is a lady and Mr., and I will select the Mr. Category, and other thing I don't need to change, just save it. Now come to the front end and refresh the page. I have to add this menu module to other pages. So go to the module and this top menu, and we have to edit it and go to the menu assignment, and menu assignment should be on all the pages, so the menu is visible to all the pages. Now come to front end, refresh the page, product link is there, I will click on it. Now it is showing some description about your store, and then it is showing some detail about the subcategory, and it is then showing available products inside this Mr. category, and those are all the feature products. Those are the feature products, and same like the products, it is showing here under the product title are not featured. I think we have to give some space, and we have to remove this left side module. We can either to shift, if necessary, shift this module to the right side, or we can remove, hide it if we don't need it. So I will go to the modules and find this module class category. I told you about the position. If you don't know exactly what is your module, you can find by the position. Under the filter option, you see this is position, and if you know the position of module, you can choose it, and it will filter up that module. Now select the class category and go to the menu assignment, and instead of on all pages, select only on the page selected. Now I will hide on this product page, save it, and come to the front end, refresh the page. Now it is looking good, and width is very good, and layout is showing very nice. Now 3 products in one row, total 4 products are there, and you can see this product and this dress shirt and t-shirt classic blue or the set is featured. Now when I click on this product detail page, we can see it has a detail. This is the short description, and these are prices. This is the rating, print icon, and back to Mr's category, product title, and what are the next and previous products in this category. This is a detailed description, and there are reviews if there are reviews. So it is a very professional and nice extension. I prefer to use it. Now product page is there. Next we will create a blog page. What is blog? Blog is think of something as a newspaper, in which you can read the several different types of article. So if your website has a lot of contents, you write about your coming products, services, you must surely have a blog. And it is also useful for your search engine optimization, because you have lot of blogging articles in that blog menu. So Joomla also provide a blog. We can go to the categories under content. Let me create some new category of type blog, and this category is only for blog articles. Save and close it, and go to the articles, add some article. I will create blog of dummy text, and select the category of this block, and we may insert some images if we have. So I am going to add some images. Let me create some folder of block and go inside the block, and let me copy some images in this block, and these are the dummy images. And select it. Now save it. I will create a menu of this type, blocking type. So I will go directly by clicking on this plus icon. It will create a new menu for us, rather than going first to the main menu and then adding a new menu. This block, this is the block, and menu item type should be article and should be category block, and it is asking for category, should be block category, and let's save it and check out the default layout. What is Joomla giving a default layout for this block. Now click on the block, and for the very basic layout, it is showing first the image. This is the intro image. For any article there are two type of image. You can use this intro image as a thumbnail, and for article image as a large dimensional image. Now it is showing first the image of the blog, then the title, and then the text. Now I will add another article, and let us see what it is doing with the layout. I am using it same article text, save as a copy. Let me change some title. And change the text. Control B. There are shortcut keys you can use in this editor. So I pressed the Control B, which you also use in the MS Word for bolding text. I will change some image in the intro image and select it. It is image is changed, so I can so the changes can be viewed easily. Now don't forget to publish it and check the category and save it. Now let's see how the layout is looking. Refresh the page. Now this is the row by rows layout. It first show the image, then title, then text, give some gap, next image, and title and the text. When I click on some article, it will take me to the detail of that blog article, and intro image is not showing there. I will have to add some full article image here. So I will select it. Let me change the image and select it and save it. Now go back, and we have set this image for this blue color image. Click on it. Now it will show the full article image first, then the text underneath it. So this is the blog layout we can see in the Joomla. There are other extensions with the advanced layout available. K2 is one of them. You can use that extension, or we have some option under the menu for the blog layout. Okay, you can see the changes there. It is showing one first article as a intro article, or you can say the leading article, and I can let me set it as of 0. Let's see what happens. Yes, it worked now. And then other article, let me add another article to see what happens if we are successful to make multiple columns or not. Save as a copy and refresh the page. I hope it will. Yes, it worked. Great. So we can have a different layout, either to show the block in the rows or in the columns layout. So next I will create next I will create last page of this website, which is contact us page. Joomla also provide a contact us component that we can use to give functionality of basic contact us. I will go to first contact component and categories. There is already a category there, you can name it. I'm not going to change it. Then to the contact, telephone number, mobile number, fax if there is any, and abdulwaheed website, and position CEO, email is this, info@abdulwaheed.pk, and next is the address, city, state, postal and country. Publish, category selected, feature yes no, public access is okay. Miscellaneous information, if you have to show any more information. You can also contact me on Facebook, and save and close it. Now I will create a menu of this contact type. Go to the new menu, give title contact us, select the menu item type and contacts, and single contact, select the contact us should be selected. Now save and close it. You can also change the option about this contact component here. For this specific menu you can change it. Now come to the front of the website, refresh the page, go to the contact us page. All the information is here, position, address and numbers are there with the beautiful wave icon, and then website, and in the very last there is a contact us form. So Joomla, there is miscellaneous information also there. You can add the social icon links here, and this is validation working for the Joomla. Now I am on the local host, the email will not work, but I am sure it will work when you submit this website on your live server. So that was a basic contact us page. I don't think this is very simple, but this is a very great component provided by the Joomla, which has several information you can include in your contact us page, not just only the form.